Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some essential Linux commands that every Linux user should know. In this video,
we will learn about dir and ls, mkdir, rm and rmdir, cp, mv, sudo su, ls-l, cat, chmod, and gedit.
dir and ls, dir, and ls commands are used to list the files and directories in a folder. Dir command is specific to the Windows operating system but also works in Linux, while the ls command is used in Linux. I'm going to use both commands in one line by executing dir and ls. mkdir is a command that is used to create a new directory in Linux. So, let's create a folder named packages by executing mkdir packages. Now the folder is created. After executing ls command, you can see a folder named packages. rm and rmdir. Both rm and rmdir are Linux commands used to delete files and directories, but they have some differences. First we talk about rmdir. This command is used to delete an empty directory only. Now I'm deleting an empty directory named packages by executing rmdir packages. By executing ls command, there you can see the empty directory is no more. Let me clear the screen by clear command. Create another directory by executing mkdir folder. After again executing ls, here we can see a directory named folder. Now, execute cd folder to change directory. Again create a subdirectory named kali. Execute cd double dot. Now, we all know that folder is not empty. When we use our mdir folder command to remove the directory, it will gives error. In that case, we use our m command, which is used to delete files or directories and their contents recursively. Execute our m-r folder. After ls, our m command deleted the folder directory along with content in it. Our next command is cat. This command is used to display the contents of a file on the terminal. By using cat command followed by the name of file, we can read the contents of that text file on the terminal. It's a quick and easy way to view the contents of a file. Cp command. This command is used to copy and paste any file or folder to the given location. The syntax of cp command is cp, file name, complete, location. First we have to check the location of desktop directory. Enter cd desktop and then pwd command. Now copy the location by Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Execute cd double dot and ls. By executing cpabc.txt/home/caluser/desktop, we can copy and paste abc.txt file to desktop folder. To view the copy of file we use cd desktop command. Here you can see the copy of file abc.txt. The syntax of mv command is mv, file name, and then, complete location. This command is used to cut and paste or to move any file or folder to the given location. Now by executing mv abc.txt/home/caluser/downloads and cd downloads and ls, we can move and view text file to download directory. Here you can see the text file under the downloads folder. Sometime we need admin's permission to perform tasks, so we use sudo su command in Linux. To use the sudo su command, type sudo su in terminal followed by your Kali Linux password. Next command is ls-l. This command is used to list the files and directories along it details, like file permissions, ownership, file size, and modification date. Chmod. This command is used to give or revoke read, write, and execute permissions. There are three types of permissions, which are read denoted by R, write denoted by W, and execute denoted by X. By executing chmod plus X or W we gives the permissions, and by executing chmod -X or W we revoke all permissions. You can give or revoke one permission or all at once. Install gedit execute apt install gedit -y. So here it gives error because installation of any tool requires root access, so we use sudo su command. After root access, the installation process is now started. This process will take some time. Wait for its completion. And that's it for today's video. We love hearing your thoughts and feedback, so feel free to leave a comment down below with any suggestions or ideas for future videos. And don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for even more tech news and insights. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology and stay curious.